How to change the background of a photo in KineMaster. Whether you want to remove the background or replace it with something cool, I have got you covered. First, open the KineMaster and start a new project. Now import the background which you want to add to your photo. Tap on Media and choose the background from your gallery. Okay, now once you choose it, tap on Layer and import the photo whose background you want to change. Tap on Media. Now find an image and add it to the timeline. Now once you import the photo whose background you want to change, just tap on it, the second layer. Now once you tap on it, you will get many options in the right hand side. Simply scroll down and you will see the magic remover right here. Tap on magic remover. And just like that, your background of the photo has been removed. And the new background is added on your photo just like this. And that's it, you have just changed the photo background in KineMaster. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the notification bell for more editing tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.